In this video, we'll show you how to reinstall your deleted apps with all their data and custom settings on your Samsung phone. So typically when you uninstall an app, so if I uninstall this Next DNS Manager from my phone and then try to download it from the Play Store, it won't bring back any of the account settings or data that were there earlier. Now if I want to recover the app in its exact state, what I can do is open the settings app on my phone, scroll down and then tap on accounts and backup. Now under Samsung Cloud, select restore data. Now here select your device from the list. Now here uncheck this option and then tap on this arrow next to apps. Now here you will need to find the deleted app on the list. So I'll just do that. Now select the app and then tap on done and then tap on restore. Now select yes to confirm and then tap on install. Now as you can see, the app is now downloading, but it's not downloading from the Play Store. It's actually downloading from my Samsung account backup. So as you can see, it's now restoring all the data. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.